Today, we're going to be talking about the differences between a Twitch affiliate and a Twitch partner. What is going on, guys? Chad here from How To Tech, the channel dedicated to helping you take your tech to the next level. And like I mentioned in the intro, we're going to be talking about the differences between a Twitch affiliate and a Twitch partner. And while over the last year and a half, these things have been quite a few differences, those differences are shrinking more and more, and the affiliates are actually getting more and more features. So I thought it'd be great to go ahead and make a video and talk about what the differences are as of today, which would be New Year's Eve 2019. So one day away from 2020. So let's go ahead and let's jump into it. So starting first, the one thing most people are almost always interested in whenever they get affiliate on Twitch is the subs. So how many emotes can you have with these subs? So with affiliate, you get one sub emote per tier, and there's a max of 3 tiers. So you can get up to 3 sub emotes if you're an affiliate. If you're a partner, on the other hand, you actually unlock them over time, and you can actually get all the way up to 50 emotes for your viewers. Moving on next to sub badges. This is something that the partners have had that the affiliates did not have at one point in time, and now they both have them. So if you're an affiliate, you get sub badges just the same as a partner. Another thing that differs between an affiliate and a partner are the cheer bits. So you could actually receive cheer bits as a partner and an affiliate. Unfortunately, as an affiliate, you do not receive cheer emotes. So if you are a partner, you can actually have certain emotes that are unlocked with certain cheers. This is a feature that is not available to affiliates at this time. We're now going to be talking about 3 things that really go hand in hand together. And the first is that you can earn revenue from ads. This used to be, once again, just something that partners had access to. Well, now affiliates have access to it as well, which is awesome. And with ads and with donations and things like that, you want chargeback protection, especially if somebody wants to donate things, and that's what these bits give you access to, and a bunch of other things. So both partners and affiliates have chargeback protection. And speaking of money, payouts on Twitch. So the way payouts used to work is once you hit your threshold, your payouts as a partner was 45 days from your billing point. That used to be 60 for affiliates, and it is now 45 as well. So they are right there on the same page. One of the major differences that you'll see between a partner channel and an affiliate channel has to do with stream quality. A partner has options to scale the quality of their stream. So for example, if I was streaming in 1080p, somebody could click on the stream quality settings and they could turn the quality with the transcode down to like 480p if they're on a very bad signal or using their phone's data. However, if you're an affiliate, your viewers don't have access to do that. It is currently as an available access, which means if there's available with the Twitch's servers, you might possibly have access to it. I have never experienced that even to this date after streaming as an affiliate for a year and a half. Moving on to video on demand, otherwise known as VOD. Affiliates have access to 14-day VOD storage, and partners have access to 60-day VOD storage. Another thing that is mentioned quite often that kind of throws me for a loop is stream delay. Affiliates have access to no stream delay, and partners have access up to 15 minutes worth of stream delay. The thing that I find very unusual about this is I don't really know why it's a big deal, because you can delay your stream on your encoder like OBS or some of the other popular things like XSplit. I believe you can even delay the stream. So I don't know why this is a big deal or if it ever really is, but you get 15-minute delay on Twitch's end. I don't know if this gives you a little bit more production control, something like that, but that is a differentiating feature. So let's say you're having a problem on Twitch. If you're an affiliate, you get the standard support queue, just the same as every other streamer on Twitch that is not partnered or even affiliate status. The weird thing about this is you would think there might even be a little bit of a mid-ground queue. There is not. So your standard support queue, if you're an affiliate, if you're a partner, you get priority support, obviously, because you're a Twitch partner. The last thing I want to mention is the verified partners badge. Obviously, an affiliate is not a partner, and you do not get a verified badge. The partners, however, do get a verified partners badge. I don't know if there is any plans in the future to have an affiliate badge, just stating that this person is an affiliate or not. Who knows? So all right, guys, that's going to be all for this video. If I missed something, please leave it in the comment section down below. And I do know these things change from time to time. And Twitch is really good about constantly updating and giving affiliates more and more features, just as well as the partners. So like I said, if I missed something, leave it in the comment section down below. If you guys enjoyed this video, hit that like button, comment in that comment section down below if you found something in this video useful or learned something that you didn't know before. Thank you guys so much for watching. This has been Chad from How To Tech, the channel dedicated to helping you take your tech to the next level. I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Peace.